They're coming out to feed the chickens. Usually get the food ready first. The meat birds, they get a little excited. Boy, do they eat a lot. A little bit more garden there. It's our makeshift chicken coop. Gotta stay in there. They like to get out, and then the dogs neighbor dogs mess with them. I usually give. Where is he? There's the baby. There's the one that doesn't get much attention. And then there's one more somewhere. I can't really walk, but I don't see her. Not you. Not you. I don't think it's you. But just the same. There's a little food. No, it wasn't you. Must be used. There's some food. No, she's right here. That's not you. Did she get up and walk? Hopefully she got up and walked. Can't find her. Alright, well. Hey, move. 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 Get away from the gate. Come on. Come on. Go get the water. Sure, you guys have seen these, and I haven't turned the water on, but yet I forgot. Take the cap, put it down here so you can fill it. Leaking everywhere. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, we got the water hose turned on. I usually go ahead and clean it while the water's hot from the sun. It's still pretty hot. We'll just water some plants here a little bit. Better. And wait for it to fill. Okay, it's overflowing. Yep. That's pretty tight. Because that little cap's on there, I can drain the bottom. Have to water these birds twice a day. They go through a lot of food and a lot of water. Okay, guys, get back. Get back. And I always put the fill part on the low side so that it can't leak over the side. But ideally, going as level as possible. Okay, guys, enjoy.